A as in apple. A as in apple.
B as in bear. B as in bear.
C as in cat. C as in cat.
D as in dog. D as in dog.
E as in elephant. E as in elephant.
F as in flag. F as in flag.
G as in giraffe. G as in giraffe.
H as in house. H as in house.
I as in ice cream. I as in ice cream.
J as in juice. J as in juice.
K as in king. K as in king.
L as in lion. L as in lion.
M as in monkey. M as in monkey.
N as in nurse. N as in nurse.
O as in orange. O as in orange.
P as in palm tree. P as in palm tree.
Q as in queen. Q as in queen.
R as in rocket. R as in rocket.
S as in sun. S as in sun.
T as in tree. T as in tree.
U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella.
V as in violin. V as in violin.
W as in whale. W as in whale.
X as in xylophone. X as in xylophone.
Y as in yo-yo. Y as in yo-yo.
Z as in zebra. Z as in zebra.
Subscribe to our channel and learn English in a fun way. Every Sunday, a new video. And don't forget to activate the notifications.